What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you guys how to transfer your funds from Ethereum mainnet to Matic or Polygon. This video is going to be a quick step-by-step guide on how to do that, and we'll show you how to withdraw from it as well. By the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, this is DrakeonDigital. If you're not joined on the channel, you're getting left behind. And on top of that, guys, if you haven't liked, subscribed, and hit that bell notification and commented saying you left or that you subscribed to the channel, you're missing out on going into a free drawing once a month for $100 in BTC. So do all four of those things now. Like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment saying you subscribed, and you can automatically get drawn into a drawing or thrown into a drawing for earning $100 in BTC. Jeez, guys, come on. All right, so let me show you guys how to do this. So we're going to do some AAVE because I like using the AAVE protocol. So I'm going to send all my AAVE tokens to the Matic network. So we're going to use this, the proof of, or POS bridge. So piece of poop, right? No. Proof of stake, guys. Don't think like that. That's not good to do. So what's supported? Moving funds from Ethereum to Matic. This takes 7 to 8 minutes. However, on the other side, when you withdraw, it'll take about 45 minutes to an hour using the proof of stake. Or if you're using the other one, the plasma bridge, it'll take like 7 days. I'll show you guys at the end, so don't worry. Let me go ahead and go over to. So this will go over all of the amounts that we're going to have to pay. So this will be, or this is just so you can be prepared what you guys will have to pay in Ethereum gas fees. Same thing on the other end. It's going to cost you, it actually costs a little bit more. It's going to cost you about 10 bucks on the other end. So usually about double. So just so you can factor that in for the smart contract totals. So we're going to go ahead and swap and send this out now. So we're going to hit continue. We're going to use the Ethereum to Matic. We're going to send our AAVE. So now I'm a cheapie big time. But this is at 17. 17 is pretty low, so good for them. I'm actually going to raise this just a bit just to get this through for this video. So we'll do 17.1. So it's $2.25. We'll go ahead and confirm this transaction, and our transaction was confirmed. So now the transaction's in progress. Now we're going to continue with the transaction fee. We'll do the same thing about, oh, well, I guess it's 10 bucks on this one. They kind of ripped us off. That's all right, guys. It's not crazy right now. The gas fees are low. So we'll do 17.01 this time. We'll hit confirm. And that transaction was confirmed as well. So the transfer is en route. It will take 7 to 8 minutes to get the deposit complete. And your balance will be updated. And you can check it out on Etherscan. All right, guys, we finished on the POS bridge. I don't know why they call it that, but they should call it something. Well, I do know why, but still, they should call it something else. They should figure another name. Anyways, guys, so now our AAVE showed up on our MetaMask wallet. Let me go ahead and show you guys. We are on the Matic network. Let's add the token. Actually, forget just adding the token. I'm just going to go over to the markets, and I'm going to deposit some AAVE. So it currently says I have 6.9 AAVE. Actually, it should be more than that. It should be like, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Get cookies. All right, cookies, let's deposit it, approve. Let's pay like fractions of a penny to approve this. And 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice. That was fast. Okay. That's what I like about Matic Network, guys. Matic is super fast, but still, remember, guys, it's not as secure as Ethereum. So that's how we use the proof of stake bridge. What was I doing? Oh, man. Now it's locked up in there. Whatever. Actually, I know what we'll do. I'll get a loan. Watch this, guys. All right, so let's see. So I'm going to earn 22% paid in Matic tokens, so that's pretty fire. So I was going to show you guys how to withdraw it back to Ethereum, but now that that's roasted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to borrow the maximum amount of DAI possible just so I can, wait, do I want to do DAI? Probably. Yeah, DAI 2.83, 3.95, blah, blah, blah. Nah, we'll switch it up a bit. We're going to do Matic. So I'm going to, oh wait, no. Yeah, because now I got AAVE. Good times. No, we're just going to do stables, guys. We're going to keep it safe. Keep it safe. Safe schmafe. All right, guys. So this is the chain that I used to use. It was Xpollinate. I did a video on this one as well. But this allows you to transfer from Binance Smart Chain to Matic, or you can do Phantom, or you can do XDAI. Any of them are fun. And make sure you guys pay attention to this exit liquidity. If this says 0, that means you ain't getting over to that bridge. You got to wait till it fills up. But it looks like there's sufficient liquidity right now. But this is the bridge that I used to use. They had an issue with the Binance Smart Chain for about a week or two, and they went down on it. So this is the other one that you guys can use. But let me show you guys how to bridge straight from Matic back to the Ethereum chain. Or you can use the Xpollinate. So let me show you guys this one then. Borrowed some DAI. Oh, and that's another thing. This one only does DAI, USDC, and USDT. So I'm going to do from Matic mainnet to whatever. And I'm going to use some random Ethereum address just so I can show you guys. So it's going to say swap. It's going to ask for the approval. And I'm going to say, yeah, bro, I approve. So I'm going to hit sign. And it's going to set up the channels. This does take about a minute or so. And they look for pending transfers. And I'm going to swap the maximum amount of DAI to this recipient. The cool thing about this is this address right here isn't my actual address. So like I can swap from one address to another, and this will actually swap it to a different chain for me. I just wanted to show you guys that's how to do it, and this is what the fees are going to cost. And the transaction fee is like ridiculously cheap. Let me see. Confirm address receiver on Phantom Opera. I'm just going to show you guys the transaction fee so you guys can see. Here's the transaction fee. It's like what point? It's low. It's ridiculously low because I'm transferring from Matic. Ethereum is a little bit different, but yeah, I'm going to get out of this so I don't waste or blow some money by accident. I've done that before, so have fun. All right, so now we're going to go, now I'm going to show you guys how to go straight from Matic to Ethereum. If you guys didn't understand what I just did, that's fine. Just forget I just went on Xpollinate, and you can watch the video I did on the Xpollinate bridge just so you guys can keep it, I guess, organized. I'm not really organized. I have really bad ADD, so I just like jump from here to there. So we're going to show you guys how to do DAI. So we're going to say DAI stablecoin. Why is our DAI not showing up right now? All right, so let's go to our dashboard. Okay, so our DAI is in our wallet. So let me see. So now we need to do, it's probably going to say, yeah, it says Plasma. So I probably need POS DAI. Let's see what DAI we got. Here we go, DAI stablecoin. So I'm going to do max DAI. Yeah, max DAI, don't die. So this is the POS bridge. This is the quickest one. But you guys can switch to the Plasma bridge if you guys want to do that. That one does take 7 days, or you can just do this 45 to 1 hour proof of stake one. So hit continue, and this shows you what the gas fees are. And you hit continue, and then you hit continue and pay the fee. It'll have the transactions. That's really it, guys. That's how you can swap your tokens back to the Ethereum mainnet. I'm not going to do it now because I wanted to leave my tokens over on Matic. But guys, that's how you use the Matic bridge. If you guys want to check out the video I did on the Xpollinate bridge, let me show you guys how to find that. So literally, you go to my channel and type in Matic, and it will pull up. No, that's not it. Oh, I got to show all. That's why. Jeez. Man, I made 12 videos on Matic. Matic bridge from BSC. Do this junk. This junk is fun. Make sure you smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification and say you subscribe. That way that enrolls you into like a free BTC drawing, guys, so you can earn $100 in BTC. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, it's sponsored by, I'm just kidding. It's not sponsored by, yeah, it is. It's sponsored by Drake. Drake is sponsoring it. He'll be paying that out. All right, so guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we made a new one. And guys, doing those 4 things get you into that $100 BTC bonus. Proverbs chapter 26 verses, ooh, I like this one, 16. A sluggard is wiser in his own eyes than 7 people who answer discreetly. Let that sink in. I don't even need to explain it, but guys, a sluggard, someone who is lazy, is wiser than in his own eyes than 7 people who answer discreetly. Well, the reason why this one's funny is because if you guys don't know what discreetly means, it's basically someone who's prudent or thinks about his answers. So like 7 people thinking and discussing and figuring out what's the right thing to say before it happens. So Pretty cool. Or even something like this. Here's a good example of what Jesus did. There's actually a parable. Well, not actually. There is a parable in the Bible where it talked about, yeah, it was a prostitute. It was basically someone who committed adultery. Not a prostitute, but they committed adultery with their husband. And they were going to stone her, because back then, if you did that, you were basically stoned to death and killed. So Jesus was around there. He was out there and he was talking with them. And the Pharisees, they were trying to trap Jesus, and they knew, like, hey, if you didn't stone him, well, what kind of person are you? You're supposed to stone the person. So what he did was he flipped the coin on him. He said, okay, yes, it is rightly as you say. She is to be stoned for doing what she did. Now, who's going to be the first to throw the stone? No one threw a stone because they didn't want to kill her. It was just like, okay, well, that was a fail. Anyways, guys, interesting parable. Highly recommend you guys take a look into it. It's both in Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. It's in the parable talk. Well, actually, those books talk about Jesus and his life. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. That video. Alright guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is Blockfolio. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for Blockfolio and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.